Hello students, I'm Ritesh sir, your chemistry teacher, and today we will understand the last topic of some basic concepts of chemistry, that is reaction in solution. A majority of reaction in laboratories are carried out in solution. So it is very important to understand how we can represent or how we can express the solution, what are the factors which are helpful for it. Okay, let's start with mass percent or weight percent. Actually there is difference between mass and weight, but uh, for that topic mass percent or weight percent is same thing. Okay, what is mass percent? The number of parts by mass of one component, it may be solute or solvent, per 100 part of mass by the solution. Suppose that we have an hypothetical equation A plus B gives solution, where suppose that A is solute and B is solvent. Solute plus solvent gives solution. Solution is what? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. If it is two substances, it means if there are two reactants, then the reaction is called binary reaction. That is called binary reaction. Binary reaction. Solute plus solvent gives solution. It's a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Okay. Now mass percent of A. What is the mass of percent of solute in whole solution? For that we have to divide the mass of solute with mass of solution into 100. What is the mass percent of B? Mass of B divided by mass of A plus mass of B, it means mass of solution. That is solute plus solvent. That is solute, A for solute, B for solvent. Mass of A upon mass of A plus B. Mass of A plus B is equal to solution. Mass of that particular component upon mass of solution into 100. That is our mass percent or weight percent. You may also calculate volume percent. Volume percent. For volume percent, the total number of parts by volume, instead of mass it will be volume. The total number of parts by volume of one component of solid solvent per 100 parts of volume of solution. That is called volume percent. Suppose volume percent of, what is the volume percent of A in solution? Volume of A upon volume of A plus volume of B into 100. Okay, that is volume percent of, and that is the volume percent of solution, right? Okay, let's take an example for the same. Suppose question is, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance in 18 gram of water. In 18 gram of water, calculate the mass percent of solute. 2 gram of, I am repeating my question. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance. It will be any substance. 2 gram of substance and 18 gram of water. Make solution. Okay. Now question is the mass. Calculate the mass percent of solute. Mass percent of solute. Here mass solute is 2 gram solute and 18 gram solvent. Okay. Mass percent of solute. How to calculate mass percent of solute? Solute is that 2 divided by mass percent of solute, mass of solute plus solvent. 2 plus 18 into 100. Let's go 2 by 20 into 100. 10. That is the answer. 10%. What is the mass percent of solute A in whole solution? 10%. And what is the mass percent of B? Less 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90%. Right? Our next topic is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? So mole fraction, it is the ratio of number of moles of particular component to the total moles of the solution. Suppose that we have to calculate mole fraction of component A. There are two components in solution, A plus B gives solution. Okay. Now we have to calculate mole fraction of A. What is the mole fraction of A? Mole fraction of A is ratio of number of mole percent of A. How much number of moles are there in solute, or divided by how much number of moles are there in solution. Or we can write, instead of solution, we can write number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solution also. You can write number of moles of A divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. A and B give solution. So how to calculate mole fraction of A? Number of moles of A divided by number of mole of A plus number of mole of B. Now how to calculate mole fraction of B? Number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution, means A plus B. Now how to represent mole fraction of A, mole fraction of B? Okay, again you can write the same equation in like A is equal to, mole fraction of A is equal to number of moles of A upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. Mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of B upon number of moles A, number of moles B. Here mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to always 1. Suppose it's equation 1 and it's equation 2. On adding equation 1 and 2, Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb. Dividers are same, denominators are same. Na plus Nb, Na plus Nb, that is equal to 1. Okay, that is our second term. Our next term is molarity and molality. What is molarity? Molarity is expressed in capital M, it's small m. Molality for small m indicates molality and capital M indicates molarity. Molarity means number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Okay, or number of moles of solute upon volume of solution into 1000. If it is not in liter, it is in milliliter. For molarity, number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. That is the difference between molarity and molality. Molarity is what? Number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution, or you can say volume of solution in liter, and it is number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Instead of kg, if gram is given, then multiply it by 1000. Like number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in gram into 1000. Right? Now let's tomorrow we will do some numerical based on it. Thank you.